I am teaching final year students of mechanical engineering in their subjects CAD/CAM and automation. Today I am going to discuss about the problems of model analysis of cantilever beam in MATLAB. Means we are going to program for model analysis of cantilever beam in MATLAB software. Whichever things we have learned for the analysis of cantilever beam for its model analysis using finite element analysis in classes, that we are going to execute through MATLAB codes, and we'll see how well we can perform the analysis. This is a cantilever beam which has modulus of elasticity shown here and density is given to you. The cross section area of this cantilever beam is shown to you. Now we are going to execute it in MATLAB. The model analysis will start with the concept of finite element analysis will be introduced over here. We are going to discretize our cantilever beam in finite number of elements, and elements will be bonded to nodes. So initially we have considered Euler-Bernoulli uniform beam, and we have calculated bending moment of inertia, and through shear force we have discussed the problem using the system weighted frequencies, and the stiffness matrix is calculated herewith. Now the mode shapes will be calculated as per the formula. Initially we advise the students to focus over three things: the element connectivity of the sample problem, here cantilever beam. Then we focus over to global stiffness matrix. Global stiffness matrix means we calculate individual stiffness matrix, and those individual matrices will be summed up for global stiffness matrix. This is model analysis problem, students, and that is the reason why we will have our focus over mass matrix. And in this way we will calculate the mass matrix. In this way we will calculate first natural frequency of the cantilever beam. The material properties have been taken here, stiffness matrix has been calculated here, and mass matrix has been calculated for this model analysis problem. And at the end we have plotted graphs for first three natural frequencies. If you run this MATLAB program, then you will see the first natural frequencies. The value of first natural frequency is somewhere around about 16.5. This is the first natural frequency, and the three natural frequencies, this is first natural frequency. If you say this is first natural frequency, as we have mentioned, we have plotted it through red color. This is first natural frequency has been plotted with red color, second natural frequencies have been plotted with blue color, and third natural frequency has been plotted with magenta. So red color is the first natural frequency, and then blue color is the second natural frequency, and this is your third natural frequency. That is how the model analysis is performed through eigenvalue. After the solution of eigenvalue problem, eigenvalue and eigenvector has been calculated for mass matrix. Please remember it. This is very important. Unless you calculate mass matrix, your problem will not be solved. So this is how the model analysis of cantilever beam is done. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Thank you so much.